We've all been there. You start a diet, hit the gym hard, and nothing. The scale won't budge, your clothes still feel tight. It's frustrating, right? The truth is, getting in shape is tough. There's no magic pill. It takes dedication, hard work, and the right approach. But don't give up. It's totally achievable. You just need a plan that works. Forget those complicated programs and expensive supplements. We're going back to basics. Let's explore a simple, effective way to achieve an athlete's physique without breaking the bank or your sanity. Keto, paleo, juice cleanses, the list goes on and on. These diets are everywhere, promising rapid weight loss and a healthier you in no time. They often come with flashy marketing and testimonials that make them seem like the ultimate solution to all your weight problems. Fad diets promise quick results, but they often leave you feeling deprived and miserable. The initial excitement quickly fades as you find yourself eating the same bland foods over and over again. The joy of eating is replaced by a sense of restriction and frustration. The problem? They're not sustainable. These diets are often too restrictive, making it nearly impossible to stick with them long term. You might start off strong, but eventually, the cravings and the monotony catch up with you. You might lose weight initially, but you'll likely gain it back, and then some, once you return to your normal eating habits. This cycle of losing and gaining weight, often referred to as yo-yo dieting, can be incredibly discouraging and harmful to your metabolism. Plus, these diets often cut out entire food groups, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies. When you eliminate essential nutrients, your body doesn't get the fuel it needs to function properly. This can lead to fatigue, weakened immunity, and other health issues. You need a balanced approach to fuel your body properly. A diet that includes a variety of foods ensures you get all the necessary vitamins and minerals. It's not just about losing weight, it's about nourishing your body and feeling your best. Let's ditch the quick fixes and focus on real, lasting change. It's time to move away from the mindset of temporary diets and embrace a lifestyle that promotes long-term health and well-being. We need a plan that nourishes your body and supports your fitness goals for the long haul. This means creating sustainable habits that you can maintain for life, not just for a few weeks or months. Let's commit to a healthier, happier you. Ever seen those infomercials promising six-pack abs in just minutes a day? Don't buy it. Those fancy gadgets and miracle wraps might look tempting, but they're often a waste of money. Building an athlete's physique takes time and effort. There's no shortcut to success. Instead of relying on gimmicks, invest in the fundamentals, a solid diet, and a well-structured workout routine. That's how athletes get results, and that's how you will too. Athletes seem to possess an almost superhuman ability to build muscle, torch fat, and recover quickly. Their secret? It's not some exclusive training method or expensive supplement, it's consistency. Athletes train consistently, eat a balanced diet, and prioritize rest and recovery. They treat their bodies like temples, and it shows. You don't need to be a pro athlete to adopt these principles. By incorporating their strategies into your own routine, you can achieve remarkable results. Section 5. Fueling the Machine. Your free athlete's diet plan. It's no secret, you can't out-train a bad diet. The food you consume plays a crucial role in your overall performance and recovery. Whether you're a professional athlete or just someone who loves to stay active, the right diet can make all the difference. Fueling your body with the right nutrients is essential for building muscle, burning fat, and optimizing performance. A well-balanced diet provides the energy you need to power through workouts and the nutrients necessary for muscle repair and growth. It's about making smart choices that support your training goals. Here's a simple, effective diet plan to follow, one that is designed to help you achieve peak performance while maintaining overall health. This plan is not about restrictive eating, but about making informed choices that fuel your body efficiently. Protein power. Eat lean protein with every meal. Protein is the building block of muscles and is essential for repair and growth. Think chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. These sources of protein are not only rich in essential amino acids, but also versatile and easy to incorporate into various meals. Carb control. Choose complex carbs like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. Carbohydrates are your body's primary energy source, especially during high-intensity workouts. Limit processed carbs and sugary drinks. These can lead to energy crashes and are often devoid of essential nutrients. Instead, focus on whole grains and natural sources of carbohydrates. Healthy fats. Incorporate healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Healthy fats are crucial for hormone production, joint health, and overall well-being. Fruits and veggies. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables for essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These not only support your immune system but also aid in recovery and reduce inflammation. Remember, this is a template. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your diet accordingly. adjust portion sizes based on your individual needs and activity levels. Pay attention to how your body responds to different foods and make changes as needed. With the right diet, you can fuel your body to achieve your athletic goals and maintain optimal health. Section 6. Training like a champion. Your free athlete's workout plan. Ready to sweat? This workout plan combines strength training and cardio to help you build muscle, burn fat, and improve your overall fitness. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, this plan is designed to challenge you and help you reach your fitness goals. Each day focuses on different muscle groups and includes a mix of exercises to keep your workouts varied and engaging. Let's dive into the details and get you on the path to becoming a stronger, fitter you. Monday, legs and core. This day is all about building a solid foundation. Strong legs and a stable core are essential for overall athletic performance. Squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Squats are a fundamental exercise that targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Make sure to keep your back straight and go as low as you can while maintaining good form. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Lunges help improve balance and coordination while also working your legs and glutes. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Calf raises, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Calf raises are great for strengthening your lower legs. Stand on a step with your heels hanging off the edge, then raise your heels as high as possible before lowering them back down. Plank, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Planks are a fantastic core exercise that also engages your shoulders and back. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and hold the position for as long as you can. Tuesday, chest and triceps. Today, we focus on upper body strength, particularly the chest and triceps. Push-ups, 3 sets of as many reps as possible. Push-ups are a classic exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Keep your body in a straight line and lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground. Bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. The bench press is a staple in any strength training routine. It primarily works your chest but also engages your shoulders and triceps. Use a weight that challenges you but allows you to complete all reps with good form. Triceps dips, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Triceps dips are excellent for building arm strength. You can do them on parallel bars or a sturdy bench. Lower your body until your elbows are at a 90-degree angle, then push back up. Overhead press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. The overhead press targets your shoulders and triceps. Whether you use dumbbells or a barbell, make sure to press the weight straight up and avoid arching your back. Wednesday, rest. Rest days are crucial for recovery and muscle growth. Use this day to relax, stretch, or do some light activity like walking or yoga. Thursday, back and biceps. Strengthening your back and biceps is essential for a balanced upper body. Pull-ups. 3 sets of as many reps as possible. Pull-ups are a challenging but rewarding exercise that targets your back, shoulders, and biceps. If you can't do a full pull-up yet, try using a resistance band for assistance. Rows, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Rows are great for building a strong back. You can do them with dumbbells, a barbell, or a resistance band. Keep your back straight and pull the weight towards your lower rib cage. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Bicep curls are a classic arm exercise. Use dumbbells or a barbell and make sure to keep your elbows close to your body as you lift the weight. Hammer curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Hammer curls target both the biceps and the forearms. Hold the dumbbells with your palms facing each other and lift the weights in a controlled manner. Friday, cardio and core. Cardiovascular exercise is essential for heart health and overall fitness. 30 to 60 minutes of cardio, running, biking, swimming. Choose an activity you enjoy and aim to keep your heart rate elevated for the duration of your workout. Plank, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Planks are a versatile core exercise that can be done anywhere. Focus on maintaining a straight line from head to heels and engage your core muscles. Russian twists, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Russian twists are excellent for working your obliques. Sit on the ground with your knees bent, lean back slightly and twist your torso from side to side while holding a weight or medicine ball. Saturday and Sunday, rest. Use the weekend to recover and recharge. Rest is just as important as the workouts themselves, as it allows your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the intensity or weight as needed. Consistency is key, so stick with the plan and you'll see progress over time. Happy training. Section 7. Listen to your body. Rest and recovery are crucial. Rest and recovery are just as important as your workouts and diet. When you train, you're actually breaking down your muscle tissue. Rest allows your body to repair and rebuild those muscles, making them stronger. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Incorporate rest days into your workout routine. Listen to your body and take extra rest when you need it. Pushing yourself too hard without adequate rest can lead to injury and burnout. Prioritize recovery for optimal results. Section 8. Join the movement. Subscribe for ongoing support. Ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? Subscribe to our channel for exclusive content, including advanced workout routines, delicious and healthy recipes, motivational tips and tricks, and a supportive community of like-minded individuals. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Join us and unlock your full athletic potential. Section 9. Unleash your inner athlete. Start your transformation today. You have the power to transform your body and your life. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Start today. Commit to the diet and workout plan. Push yourself, stay consistent, and watch as you achieve incredible results. Unleash your inner athlete. The world is waiting to see what you're capable of.